Hey guys, welcome back to Elliot and Elijah. And today, well, first of all, sorry we haven't made a video in a very, very long time. We were busy doing stuff. My mom was in Bali and she had lots of fun. And yeah, so I saw this video of the Dorito and you microwave it. I'll show you the video right now, and then I'll show you the video of me doing it. Okay, here's the video. Okay guys, so this is the thing that I want to that's why we're trying it. Yeah. So this is me trying it. Okay guys, so here is a Dorito packet, and we are going to put it in the microwave and see if it shrinks. Usually you would need to put it in for 2 seconds, which I'm pretty sure it'll be doing. Okay, now, wait, here. Okay, I didn't want it to be so small, but here it is. Let me feel it. Nice and warm and still tight. Yeah, it looks like little bubble wrap bits. Circles. You can still read everything. I'm just going to put it in for... And this is bubble wrap. There we go, shrink to a little bit. There was a giant one. Let me feel it. Smells like melted plastic. Oh, yep. It just smells like a weird fire. Let's just throw it in for 2 more seconds. What? Oh, okay. Not 2, but... Keep shrinking. It has stopped. Damn. That's burning, wouldn't it be? It's steaming, for sure. It's not burning. Hot? Oh, that's... Yeah, it's kind of hot. Oh, yeah, it is hot. Doritos. Would you like a Dorito? That's what I can read. I can't even read. I can see D-O. Hello, clear. I can see D-O weird L-L-L-S. No, O-S. I can't even read that. I could read like the D. And then look at the bottom. All the neutrals. Yep, that's good. You want some mice Doritos or dog Doritos? It's like, this is a big family pack for mice. Yep. Okay, that's the end of the scene. No, not end of the scene. End scene.